Hey everyone, welcome to week 13. I know it's Friday. I know it's like super late. I apologize. I was gonna record this on Tuesday, but then I got the stomach bug, and then my family got the stomach bug, and I was taking care of my kids, and it was just a terrible, awful, nauseating week. Okay. But here I am, and I just got to show you one little thing about your rough draft that I want you to make sure that you are able to do, okay? And that is your works cited page, and to make sure that it is perfect for when you submit it this weekend for your community discussion peer review, okay? You all should be working on the rough draft already. This is your third rough draft that you've done, so you should be somewhat familiar with it, but this is the only one that you've needed to have a works cited page, which is what I'm going to show you how to do right now. Okay. So here we go. We are going to be using a website called EasyBib. So 1101, okay, if you go to lessons and you go down to lesson 4, argumentative essay, and you go down to EasyBib, the very bottom of the page. It brings you to this website, Citation Generator, okay? Now, last week I discussed while you were doing your outlines that you should be keeping track of your sources that you're using, okay, your websites. So like this is an example of my argumentative essay outline, okay? And I have here the links to my sources that I used for my essay. I have 1, this is number 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have 4 that I'm using. Okay, I got to turn those links into proper MLA citations, and this is how you do it. All right, you copy. And then you go over to EasyBib. All right, you select choose your source website. Here you put in you paste the URL. Then this pops up. Why can't Republicans elect women? That's my source. Okay. I hit continue. All right. And then I go down to hit complete citation. Then it's loading. And then there it is. Now I need to do another one because I have 4. I'm going to create citation. I'm going to hit website. I'm going to go back. I know you can't, I'm not going to switch to my screen every time. Right now I'm going back to my outline. I'm scrolling down to my next source, and I'm highlighting it, the address. I'm highlighting it. Coming back over to EasyBib. I am pasting it here, hitting search. Examining the roles, gender and race play in political. Yep, this is it. I know there's 2 of them, but that's okay. I'm gonna go with this one. Cite. Continue. Complete citation. All right, and there it is. It's right there. Okay, then I'm going to go back to my outline, and I want to do the third one. I am copying it right now. Create citation. Now I'm going to do this 2 more times, and you will see this. You'll see the result of all 4 of my articles will pop up. And so I'm just going to pause this while I do this because there's no point in you watching the same process 4 times over. All right, so here I'm done. I've copied all 4 of mine citations, okay? Once again, to go back to this, this is my outline that I went over last week, okay, about how to make an outline. Oh, wait, that's the wrong essay. That's for 1102. Okay, so argumentative essay, I have my introduction, I have my thesis, I have my background, I have quotes, I have citations. Okay, 1, 2, because these are quotes. Look, that's a quote. That quote came from this citation. All right, this quote came from this source. This quote came from this source. This quote came from this source. See, I have quotes from specific sources, okay? And my sources are websites. So I take those over to easybib.com and it creates the citation for me. All right, this is exactly how my citation, my works cited page should look. It should be alphabetical order, E, G, L, M. The first line is not indented, but the subsequent lines under each citation are indented. So I'm going to copy all. Okay. All right, I'm going to copy all. And then I'm going to go to my my essay, my rough draft here. Let me open up a fake paper. Let's see. All right, so they'll say this is my fake argumentative paper that this is my rough draft, okay? I wrote this rough draft. So far it's 3 pages, okay? So wherever I stop, my works cited page begins on the very next page. I go down, and now I'm at a new page. I go to home, I go to center, and I type works cited. I hit enter, I go to the far left side, okay? Then I hit paste. If in case you didn't see that, I just did paste, but I want to paste, let's see. I want to paste like this because this is incorrect. If I paste it like this, you'll notice how the title, the first line of each citation is indented and the subsequent lines are not. That's incorrect. Now, this though has the proper line spacing between each line, but this has the proper format. So I'm gonna paste it like this, and then I'm gonna fix the line spacing because this is how it should look. The first line is all the way to the left side, and then the lines underneath the citations are indented. Okay, now, but we need to have it to be unified in font. So my font currently is Times New Roman 12. All right, what's this? Very good, that's good. All right, so I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna go up to paragraph. I'm gonna do 0 for before, 0 for after, and go to double. Okay, good. Boom. Now that is a good looking works cited page. That's exactly correct. Okay. The only thing missing is last name in the header. That's what we need. We need Baker. Oops. Oops. There we go. There we go. Oh, wait, Joseph Baker's paper is correct. Baker 2, Baker 3, and then look, Baker 4, works cited page. Great. All right, so that's how your works cited page should look. Works cited, actually, it's not possession, it's plural, works that have been cited. They're in alphabetical order. The top line is not indented, but the bottom lines are, okay? If you just use EasyBib, it makes it so much easier for you, okay? And you put in your web addresses. I don't want to check for plagiarism errors. X. Okay, and then you can copy them all over. All right. So that's that, okay? When you submit your rough draft, your rough draft should look something like this. Works cited page, and then your essay, okay? All righty. Hope it goes well. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye-bye.